everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I'm hoping this is the last unboxing for this month. I've been waiting quite a few days for this and it is January's Glossybox. Here we go. I seem to be one of the last ones to get their glossy boxes dispatched. So I know there's been a couple of videos already uploaded of people unboxing their glossy boxes. So I've been really good and I've not watched anybody else's. So I've really no idea what's in here. We're going to get into opening it in a moment. Just a quick little note to you all. I have popped a little post and a couple of questions in my discussion section on my homepage, and I'd really love some feedback from you all. So if you won't mind, when you finish watching this video, go onto the homepage, find across the top where it says discussion, click on that and it'll bring up the post I've done, and I look forward to hearing from you all. Alright, let's get into opening this then, and let's see if I can do this without too much of a struggle. Oh. Here we go. Alright, let's get it open. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got a standard pink box this month. Here we are. Pop the outer box out the way. And I'm literally going to open it this way. Here we go. So you lot are going to get the first look. Are you ready? Is anything going to fall out? It usually does, doesn't it? Let's have a look. Oh, can't get the lid off. It's stuck tight. Here we go. Alrighty, what's in there? What's in there? Let's have a look. Ooh, got a little sticker, first of all, with the Glossybox logo on. Not quite sure what that's for, but we might find out. As usual, we have the little leaflet that tells us all about the products, and this edit is the Sleep and Refresh edit. I think that's very appropriate for January. On the back, as usual, we have our sneak peek for February. And it says, I love you, je t'aime, ik liebe dich. Next month we're embracing the universal language of love and celebrating it in all its forms with our glossy friends around the world. So, to show you how much we love you, we'll be treating you to a glow elixir worth £35. It will instantly brighten your complexion and give you a seriously dewy radiance. Alright, I'm going to show you that there. So that's the little sneak peek that we get on the back of the leaflet for the following month's box. And a little bit of info about Glossybox, although I'm sure you all know all about it. It is a monthly subscription box. You can pay monthly, in which case it's £8.50 a month plus your 3.25 P&P, so £11.75 a month, or you can do 3, 6 and 12 month prepaid subscriptions as well. I personally do the pay monthly one because you can then cancel at any time. But having said that, this is my 4th box now and I've been quite impressed with all of them. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll open it up. Alright, here we go. So what we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products this month. Okay, we normally only get 5, but we've got 6 this month. So the first thing I'm going to pick out is this, which is obviously a little bonus treat, and it's the Cocoa Orange Naked Bar. I really like these. They're a little snack bar, you know, they've got oats and grains and things in. Raw fruit and nut bar, simply yummy. And what does it say? Does it say anything else? Oh, gluten, wheat and dairy free, that one. So that's a nice little added bonus, I have to say. I do like that. Next, and we have quite a tinky little box. Oh, these are tweezers. I was wondering what on earth they were. There we go. These are by Basic Beauty. There's some tweezers and they are a full-size product, and apparently, good lord, apparently the RRP of these is £15.50. £15.50 for some tweezers, man. Really? Crikey O'Reilly. Alright then. Okay. Right, well here we go. They're pink. But never mind, that's alright. And they feel alright. They've got quite a nice fine edge on them. Feel okay. They don't feel, hang on, I'm just going to grab my other ones. Oh no, they do feel a bit heavier. They are quite a bit bigger than my other ones that I've got as well. Worth £15.50? Don't know about that, to be perfectly honest, but tweezers are always a very handy little gadget to have. Plucking your eyebrows, whatever. If you're somebody that puts false eyelashes on, you can use them to do that. Or, if nothing else, simply for opening up packages. So that's nice to have, I have to say. First time I've received anything like that in a beauty box, so subscription box, so that's always handy. And the next item, okay, this is by the brand Context, and it's a microderm regenerator. This is a deluxe mini, and it's 30ml and it's worth £6.50. The full size is 120ml and worth £27, or RRP is £27. And it says, nothing makes your skin look refreshed and renewed quite like an exfoliation. Boasting the same exfoliating crystals used in professional treatments, this 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator gently removes dead skin cells to reveal brighter and healthier looking skin. It also blends macadamia, sunflower and jojoba oils with vitamins A, C and E to soothe, cleanse and protect your complexion. Massage it into wet skin, then rinse. Okay. Oh, well that's cool. That's quite nice to have. So it's an exfoliating cleanser. Alright, doesn't say anything about being dermatologically tested or anything like that, but really pleased to receive that. Always nice. Always like to get new cleansers and exfoliators. I use exfoliators about twice a week. You have to be very careful with exfoliators because if you're using them too regularly, you're taking off the top layer of your skin every time, and that can actually cause problems. But I'm pleased to try that. That'll be nice to try. The next one, okay, this is by Model Co, and this is a clear brow gel. Again, something that I've not actually received yet in a subscription box, and it is something, I do like a clear brow gel, I have to say, to just help set your brows in place. So reading a little bit about it, it says, embrace a refreshing no makeup look with this vegan and cruelty-free clear eyebrow gel. There we go. And the RRP of that is £14. Oh, and this is another full-size product. Okay, that's good. So let's have a look. Whoop. Oh, crikey. It's only diddy. It's 3ml. There we go. Now this is a full-size product, and this is supposedly worth £14. Okay, that is quite a tidgy little wand, but tell you what, let's just have a, that's okay. Well, that's not bad at all. Certainly, it's not like it's too big for my brows, because I was a bit worried about that, to be perfectly honest. But that does seem quite a small product, or a small amount of product for the price point. But we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to be negative, we're going to be positive, and I shall pop that with the rest of my brow stuff just in there in my little container. Next product is, oh, this was the sneak peek from last month. This is the Bibi Strawberry Booster. There we go. It's made from upcycled seeds from the juice industry. This is sustainable 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil is the secret to a softer and brighter complexion. Rich in antioxidants and omega-3 and 6, it is the perfect way of soothing, nourishing and hydrating dry skin. Massage straight into your face or mix 2 drops into your day cream, BB cream or foundation to give your complexion an extra boost of moisture. And the RRP of this, again, this is a full-size product, and the RRP is £12. Okay, it says 100% natural ingredients, so that's good. Facial oil, essential oil free. Yeah, vegan and cruelty free. Doesn't say anything about dermatologically tested or anything, but let's get it out and have a look. Ooh, lovely glass. Is it glass? Not sure, might be glass. There's the bottle. There we go. And I'm just gonna try this out. Comes with a pipette. Well, I can't smell strawberry, it has to be said. Oops, I'm just going to pop a couple of drops on my hand. Let's see if... cool, those couple of drops are going a long way, look. Still can't really smell strawberry, to be honest. In fact, there's not a lot of scent to it at all. That's actually quite nice. Now, I don't have dry skin. I have oily skin. So whether or not this is going to end up being used on my face, I'm not sure. But I tell you where I do have dry skin, on my hands and in particular on my legs. So I know this is a facial oil, but you never know. Who's to say you can't use it anywhere else on your body? It's absorbed quite nicely. Doesn't feel too greasy. It's quite nice. Quite like that. Quite like that. So I might just add that into my normal moisturiser that I use for, like I say, for my hands and my legs. And you never know. Might help a bit. And the last product in the box is yet another full-size product, and this is by Beauty Pro, and it's a CBD oil infused mask. Okay. Facial mask. RRP is $5.95. It's got CBD, lavender and rosehip in there. Suitable for all skin types, cruelty-free and vegan. Yeah, so plant-based range. That's really nice. Rich in antioxidants, nourishes and soothes stressed skin. So that'll go in my little face mask box. That's actually quite nice. I like that. I like the fact that it's a bit of a different one. So let's just have a little bit of a recap and a tot up. So we've got the face mask worth £6. We've got the facial oil worth £12, so that's 18. We've got the exfoliating cleanser, that's worth £6.50, so that's £24.50. We've got the tweezers that are worth $15.50, so that is £40, isn't it? There we go. We've got the, where is it? The brow gel, that's worth 14, so that's 54. And is that everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So £54 plus an extra little bonus, which I think these are about 50, 75p to buy in the shop. What do we think? What do we think? £11.75 for a box valued at just shy of £55. That's not bad, is it? Not bad at all. Not a badly curated box, I have to say. You can see how everything works together. Obviously your cleanser, exfoliator, your facial oil, obviously your mask for a bit of extra hydration, and then obviously the tweezers to give a bit of a tidy up on the brows before setting them with the brow gel. I can see how this works together. Yeah, not upset by that box at all. Not a bad box whatsoever for January. But anyway, let me know what you think. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think about this or any of my other videos. If you are new here, the warmest of welcomes. And if you're not already, please hit the subscribe button just down below underneath the video, that red subscribe button. At the side of it is a little bell. Press on that. Make sure you click on all, and then it'll notify you every time I do upload a video. Alternatively, you're going to see a little icon with my face appear around about here. Press on that and that'll subscribe you as well. And if you'd like to go and check out any of my other content, I'll pop a couple of options up here for you as well. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye!